What's up everybody, my name's Haktan, and in today's video, I'll be talking about jobs you could get in finance. Majoring in finance means you have a wide range of opportunities when getting a job. These opportunities can range from investment banking, private equity, hedge funds, consulting, and many more. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the expected salary, the amount of work you put in, and some other information about the jobs. So let's get right into it. The 5 jobs I'm going to be talking about today is investment banking, hedge funds, private equities, financial consulting, and risk management. So let's dive deeper into it. So if you're planning on majoring in finance, you've probably already heard investment banking. So let me explain what it actually is. Like I said, you've probably already heard of investment banking. It's a pretty popular career choice. But did you know what they do? So, investment bankers raise capital for their clients. They act as advisors. They direct mergers and acquisitions, meaning they help their clients with mergers and acquisitions. It's self-explanatory. And they secure funds for their clients in the market. So, how much do investment bankers actually make? So, their salary. According to ZipRecruiter.com, a first-year investment banking analyst makes about $115,624. This is without the bonus. And the bonus usually comes to around 50% or 100% of the base salary, but according to what I read, it's usually around 50% to about 100%. So if we just call the salary $100,000, that would be a bonus of $50,000. So it would be around like $165,624, like a rough estimate. So now let's talk about the benefits they have. So investment banking first year analysts, and I guess just investment bankers, they earn commission, insurance, stock options, and bonus opportunities. How long do they actually work in a week? If you didn't know, investment bankers, first year analysts, they work to 60 to about 100 hours a week. There's 168 hours per week in a week. And let's say you're working a 100-hour work week because you're first year, and you're gonna have to do the work. 100 hours of work. That leaves about 68 hours of free time. Even if you want to call it free time, because that's not even counting sleep. So that's investment banking in a nutshell. Some people love working, some people don't love it, but yeah, that's about it. Next, we have private equity. So what do private equity analysts do? It's pretty simple. They just conduct research on potential investments. So what does a salary look like? So a first year private equity analyst salary looks to be about between $100,000 and $150,000. And their bonuses are around 70% of their salary, which is according to wallstreetoasis.com. So how many hours do they work? It's still a drop from investment banking, but it's a bit higher than risk management. They work between 60 to 80 hours per week. And what their benefits look like. First, they get bonuses like we saw. They have retirement funds and insurance, like the other jobs I mentioned have. Now, we have risk management. So risk managers oversee companies' risk management division. They identify risks which could alter their clients' companies. And their salary for first year risk manager is about $100,736. And their bonus is about 8% of their salary. How many hours do they work? A huge drop from investment banking Risk managers work about 40 hours per week. Which, I mean, you still have plenty of time to do a lot of stuff and get stuff done. So what are their benefits looking like? So risk managers also have pretty good benefits. They have paid vacations, insurance, stock options, and pension. Now let's talk about hedge funds and what they are. If you're an investor, you've probably heard of hedge funds. So what do hedge fund analysts do? They research stocks and assets and bonds. Too many ands. But their salary is roughly about $100,000, which is still six figures. Their bonus is about 25% to 50% of their salary, which is still a lot, because if it's 50% of $100,000, that's a $50,000 bonus. How many hours do they work per week? They work about 50 to 60 hours per week, and the only benefits I could find online were their bonuses right here. Other than that, I couldn't find their benefits, but they probably still have insurance and stuff. I'm not sure. Last but not least, we have financial consultants. So, what do financial consultants do? They basically help and advise their clients on financial decisions, whether that's investing, buying something, like those types of choices. So their salary actually ranges with like most of these jobs too. Their average salary is about $90,000 in New York City, but it can vary up to $270,000 per year. This is according to mint.intuit.com. And their bonus is about 9% of their salary, which can also vary. So they work about at least 40 hours per week, meaning they work more than 40 hours. And their benefits are just the bonuses, because I couldn't find anything else online. But with all of these jobs, I mean, it depends on the firm, because some firms offer insurance, some don't, some offer pension, and some don't. So you get the gist. That's all it for today. I hope you guys had fun watching the video and at least learned something about jobs and finance. And I hope you guys can come back for the next video where I'll be talking about more finance related stuff. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and goodbye.